It is absolutely fine to keep your work private, but if you want to make it public, let me show you how. First, let me show you how mine works. If we click right here and we hit settings, this is my profile and it is public because I have public designs. I've got my username HLModTech and my display name HLModTech. Make sure you put something here that does not share too much of your personal information. I was an educator, so I've got a teacher role. Yours likely won't be that. Once again, in the about, make sure you do not share personal information. Don't share your age. You don't need to share your gender. You can just say, hi, I like to make 3D designs. Note again, it says I have public designs. Let me show you what that entailed. On any design I created, I'm going to quickly highlight the fun rocket I made the other day. Of course, it's already public. All that means was I went to this gear. I went to these properties. I filled out the information. Of course, for me, I share a tutorial. I add tags. I'm going to show you this tag in a minute is HLMT23, and I chose to make the design public. I also chose to switch to no derivatives. That means when you see this design, you do not have the option to copy and tinker. To be able to copy and tinker, you would choose share alike. I want no derivatives because I'd love to have you follow the tutorial. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe. You're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day and keep tinkering.